The Emmo Merona versus the Emmo Addo. The Addo comes in a 48 volt and a 60 volt. This only comes in a 60 volt. So let's compare those two. This one is $2,099. They are on sale right now, $200 off, and these are $2,199. So let's assume there's not a sale and there's a $100 difference between these two scooter style e-bikes. There are some significant differences that I think you need to know. This one is smaller in every way. The Addo has a smaller seat. It has the shortest seat height. The tail box is smaller. Which I fit nice on both of them. Where your feet go is smaller on the Addo. Tires these are a 3-point. No, the tires are the same. They look bigger on this one, but they're not. So size is first and foremost. If you're looking at the lead acid version, and that was pricing on the 20 amp lead acid, they get the same distance per charge. Here's a big difference though. The batteries on the Addo are under the seat regardless of whether they're the lead acid version or the lithium. So in the lead acid version, the weight is up high. So this actually feels like a heavier bike, where the Merona, the batteries are placed underneath here. So it's a better distributed weight on this one, like a lot better. It feels like it's like 100 pounds less, but that's only because the weight's up here. Now, pros and cons to that is that you have no storage under the seat of an Addo ever. You just don't have any storage. If you get the lead acid version in the Merona, you have tons of storage. Come take a look at this. It's like extra big. That's a very large space. And then you have this other little pocket there. But if you get lithium, that's where the lithium goes. So we just want to compare apple to apples there. So that's a big difference there. Now, in terms of features, the Merona comes with cruise control. That's a really nice feature. It also comes with a Bluetooth radio. Yes, Bluetooth radio, USB. Oh, this has USB as well. Take a look at the screens because the screens are almost identical. That P is just a safety. You just press that and now you have throttle. Neither of them show your voltage, which is not a good, I like to see voltage, always. It's almost impossible to put two people, you gotta be real small. You can definitely fit two people on here. Now here's the thing. They show that there's bolts here, but there's nowhere for the passenger to put their feet. With the Addo, they do come with passenger foot pegs. This, nothing. Consider that if you plan on bringing people. If you're going to order these in the crate, they come the same way. They don't have the handlebars on or the front tires. So that is the same there. Really size difference. I just put them kind of side by side. Suspension takeoff, that's all the same. You can kind of get an idea, let's see, lengthwise. Yeah, see the floor difference here, height difference there, and then the Merona is a little bit longer. So I hope that helps in your search. And if you're not able to come to our store or you live in another province or whatever it is, that when you do decide that you order from us, because we're great and we're good at customer service, and it's important to us what bike you choose. It's not just, hey, well, just take this one. No, let's make sure that we've covered all the bases. Do you have hills? How much do you weigh? How tall are you? Budget, da 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 da. That's what we're here for. I hope you enjoyed the video.